Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys enjoyed the last video. The last video we did was just modding the car like usual. We were working on the M2 today. Whoa, look at this. Yo, what the? YUURRRR. What up, bro?
What up, bro?
What up? YUUURRR. One thing that we've been missing, as you guys can see in the back, there's something missing. Something. Yeah, we did the diffuser. These are blacked out. The roof is black. The carbon shark fin. It has the M Performance spoiler that we are going to be taking off and replacing. It's kind of small. The kick is kind of small. It's not bad. I don't hate it, but it's not my favorite. Let me show you guys what we got. Our company is starting to get into car parts as the company. So one thing that we are going to be manufacturing is obviously for the M2 F87, but we're also going to be dropping another car.
Well, I thought you put it on already.
But here is the spoiler. As you guys can see, this is the high kick spoiler. Yeah, there's a high kick. Fat little thing. I went with something different this time, a different pattern. This is the hex honeycomb pattern versus how these are. It's gonna be mean. I gotta go grab a couple of things real quick that I'm missing, and then we will start on the removal of the spoiler. And we got tips too. We got new tips. These are my burnt tips from Valtronic. These are burnt tips, but I'm replacing it with another exhaust tip. Today is a really nice day, so we are gonna enjoy the weather and we're gonna mod the car. New spoiler. All right, let me go grab the stuff and I'll be right back. And we're back. We got some 30-pound fishing line and we got some 3M tape. This one's pretty wide for the spoiler. I'm gonna do a little time lapse on heating up the spoiler and using the fishing line and pulling it off, and then yeah, it'll be pretty smooth, pretty simple mods. Let's get it. Took out the spoiler and now it's just dirt. And rubber, these little thick rubber pieces. We gotta clean it up. Looks kind of funny without a spoiler, no cap. This was indeed an M Performance spoiler. BMW M Performance spoiler. Fire. This is amazing. All right, I'm gonna take it off with this rubber after I clean it off and wipe everything down. Okay, now we are gonna clean it off with some alcohol.
Can't forget the bed.
Clean, not bad. It's not. We can do a little bit more. It's not bad. I'm gonna clean it a little bit more. Ta-da. Sure. Yeah, this is my test fit.
It looks nice.
We got most of the dirt off, but there are some left, like this. And there's like a thin line of dirt going around. I got a detailing friend right there. I have Juno.
Yeah.
Get yourself a Juno real quick.
Oh, I'm Juno, bro. Get this out. We tried cleaning it with alcohol, but I think the only way we can get it is if we compound the paint to kind of clear out that level of clear coat, and then we're just going to polish it again, basically resurface it. So we're going to get to work.
Very good.
Very good. So this should be enough because we're not really doing a lot.
much time. Can you explain to them like what's the difference between that wheel and like that color wheel?
Mainly like the texture. Like if you feel
Texture?
this, like you can feel this one is hard. Like,
Yeah.
obviously this one hasn't been used yet.
Oh, this one's a little
Yeah, this one's a
softer.
little softer. So this one would probably be for like harder compound. Kind of think of it as like sanding. You know, if you want to if you're trying to cut more clear coat, then you would probably use a harder wheel.
Right.
Essentially. So I went with like a medium wheel because we're not really working with anything too bad.
Right.
And we're just trying to kind of get off that surface level. I mean, you don't want to cut too much clear coat. So I went, you know, I can go over it a couple more times and I won't cut as much clear coat, but I'll be able to slowly work through that.
It looks really good though. Like on camera, you can't see it. Yeah. Look, the dirt's gone. Clean, and it's ready for the spoiler. Juno did an amazing job on the trunk. Thank you, bro. But right now I started the car. This looks great. This doesn't. As you guys can see, it's all the rubber and dirt. I'm gonna go get a car wash. I'm gonna get a car wash and then come back and finish the spoiler up. Yo, we just finished getting a car wash. Sparkly clean. What up? Davis. Sebastian, nice to meet you. What up, bro?
Hey, how you been?
How you doing? Good, you? Yeah. What up, bro?
I told Rich photo up too.
Yeah, I tell Rich too, but that dude, this is clean. Have you done anything with it?
I just got a cold air intake.
Oh, nice.
Think about ordering some SSRs.
Sheesh. SSRs? Nice. This is a nice looking car. Hey.
Nah, get to M2. What you talking?
Hey. There's no gap. Sheesh. Look, fire. Soon. I took out my spoiler. It looked like it just got a fade. One day, I want a swan neck. Those big ass spoilers with the swan neck, fire. All right, guys, so we finished washing the car. Lay out the 3M on the spoiler, and then that is it. Juno did a great job. Yo, this shit's still dirty.
Nah, it's bound to happen.
3M, I'm gonna lay it down, start on one side. So I'm gonna start over here.
It looks like it's coming more out.
Hello, Kevin.
What up, birdie? We ended up deciding to put another 3M in the middle because there's a lot of weight in the middle. So right here, we kind of cut the pieces from the middle out. We need to probably pull it from the back side. Y'all ready? Let's start it.
Yeah, looks good. Looks centered.
Centered.
Yeah, looks centered.
I might go around and heat it up and push it down for about like 20-30 seconds. That'd be pretty good.
Wait, so if they do honeycomb like spoilers like this, would they be able to do like?
Yeah, they can do honeycombs for those too. What's your name? Moochie?
Yeah.
Davis.
Davis.
Oh, it's a whole party up in my crib. What the f happening? Yo, look at that dude. Sheesh. Yo, this is sick.
We saw Alan.
We are done.
Yeah.
I'll show you guys in the morning. Crazy. Better than the last one. 100%. Here are the new tips. Carbon is getting dark, but again, I'll show everything in the sunlight. But it'll be lit. Here are the old ones. Here are the new ones. Lit.
Two-step party. Nice.
Yo, the camera does not do it justice. This looks amazing. Looks so good. These tips are installed. Again, I'll show you guys in the sunlight. Looks really good. This hex, like I thought it was gonna throw off the other carbon fiber pieces because it's not the same pattern. But honestly, from afar, you can't really tell. When we get close to it, you can see the honeycomb. Now we are just kind of kicking it inside. I'm gonna just call it a night. Y'all want to say goodbye? Goodbye.
YouTube, we'll see you later, man.
So this is the spoiler in the sun. It pops a lot. It looks really good. Here are the new tips. Carbon with the burnt tips and gold inside. guys, I hope you enjoyed this video watching me install my high kick spoiler and my exhaust tips. Many more videos to come out. Just stay tuned to that. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Deuces.